Unlock the secrets of oregano oil as a skincare powerhouse. Dive into the world of oregano oil benefits for skin while staying informed about potential side effects. Let's explore how this natural wonder can transform your skincare routine. Oregano oil benefits for skin. Antibacterial powerhouse. Oregano oil is rich in compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which exhibit strong antibacterial properties. When applied topically, it can combat acne-causing bacteria, making it an effective natural remedy for acne-prone skin. Antioxidant protection. Loaded with antioxidants, oregano oil helps neutralize free radicals that can damage skin cells. Regular use can promote a youthful complexion by reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Anti-inflammatory relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil make it an excellent choice for soothing irritated or inflamed skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. It calms redness and reduces swelling, providing relief from discomfort. Fungal fighter. Oregano oil's antifungal properties make it effective against fungal infections like athlete's foot and nail fungus. Its natural fungicidal action helps inhibit the growth of fungi, promoting healthier skin. Natural astringent. Oregano oil acts as a natural astringent, tightening pores and controlling excess oil production. This can help prevent and treat blackheads and whiteheads, leading to clearer, smoother skin. Oregano oil side effects on skin. Skin irritation. Undiluted or concentrated oregano oil can be highly potent and may cause skin irritation, redness, or a burning sensation. It's essential to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil before applying it to the skin. Sensitivity reactions. Some individuals may be allergic or sensitive to oregano oil. Patch testing is recommended before using it extensively on the skin to check for any adverse reactions. Phototoxicity. Certain components in oregano oil, particularly limonene and carvacrol, can increase sensitivity to sunlight, leading to sunburn or skin discoloration. Avoid sun exposure after applying oregano oil topically or use sunscreen to mitigate the risk. Dryness and overdrying. Oregano oil's astringent properties can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness or overdrying, especially for individuals with dry or sensitive skin. Moisturize adequately after using oregano oil to maintain skin hydration. Interaction with medications. Oregano oil may interact with certain medications or topical treatments. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're using prescription medications or have underlying skin conditions, before incorporating oregano oil into your skincare routine. In conclusion, while oregano oil benefits for skin are abundant, it's crucial to use it responsibly and mindfully to avoid potential oregano oil side effects on skin. When used appropriately, oregano oil can be a valuable addition to your skincare arsenal, offering natural and effective solutions for various skin concerns.